going on YouTube? Today we're going to work on the front clip of the 54. Take out the headlights, all the bezels and trim, finish stripping the rest of the wiring, and then start sanding it for the first coat of self-etching primer. Stick around. Old school. High beam, low beam, ground. Three-prong connector. Curious. Gonna need to clean those up. That's bad. Let's go underneath the hood and behind. Alright, so I'm going to strip all this out. I'm going to finish taking out this socket and then take out the one on the other side for the turn signal mark. Clean up on L5. We'll be right back. Well, so here it is. Had to bust out the old grinder and grind the heads off. I have to figure out a way to swap these out or just drill them out and probably run them through bolts to hold it back into place. But other than that, that's done. Alright, there it is, stripped down, ready for some more paint stripping. Some of the repair work that needs to be done. That'll be part 2. And we'll get to it. Thanks for watching.